Everyone, Miss Diorio back with another skills lesson. Sitting on my couch today because it's comfy. See a picture of me and my dad right there. All right, we're going to start today with this sound. What sound is this? It's not a plus sign. Be careful. T, t, t. Try that. Your tongue should touch like the top of your mouth, the roof of your mouth, right behind your front teeth here. Should make that t, 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 and you can feel a tiny bit of air coming out. So we're going to start today with our t video. While we're doing this, I want you to practice along with the video. It features one of my favorite foods, taco. Oh, sorry.
Taco.
Taco. Taco.
Let's say it together. Taco. Taco.
Nice job. I love tacos. So yummy. All right, let's try a little tongue twister. I want you to close your eyes because I just want you to focus on the sound, okay? Close your eyes, trust me. Here's your tongue twister, ready? Tina told Tim not to twist and turn. Ready? I'll say it again. Keep your eyes closed. Tina told Tim not to twist and turn. What sound did you hear most often in that? Sound we're working on. T. Ready? Close your eyes. Every time you hear the t sound, I want you to pretend like roller coaster. Both hands up. Okay? I'm going to say it slower first, then I'm going to get faster. Every time you hear the t sound, both hands up. Tina told Tim not to twist and turn. Hand should have been up the whole time. Ready? Put your hands down. Try it again a little faster. Tina told Tim not to twist and turn. Got it? One more time real fast. Keep your eyes closed. Tina told Tim not to twist and turn. Ah! Do you want to try it? All right, I'll say a little bit. You repeat after me, and I'll say the second bit. Tina told Tim not to twist and turn. Ready? One more time. Tina told Tim not to twist and turn. I'm going to try it all together. We'll do it slow first, and then we'll speed up. Tina told Tim not to twist and turn. 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 Blah, 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 blah. You guys can probably do it way faster than I can. Good job. Okay, there's a couple different ways to spell this t sound. The way you've most commonly seen it is just with the T, right? Like in truck and sit. Just one T makes the t sound. Another way we see it, like a lot of our consonants, we could also see it with the two T's. Now, when it's like this, remember it's not t, it's just the single t sound, okay? Some words that you might know with that t, those two T's are kitten and bitter. Those two T's make that one t sound, okay? So we have two ways so far. One T, like truck and sit. Two T's, like kitten and bitter. Now here's what it gets tricky. It can also, these two letters can also make the t sound. If you remember a couple videos ago, we learned about that past tense marker. The ed at the end of a verb sends it into the past, makes it a past tense verb. Sometimes at the end, this ed makes the t sound. Remember, we could go t, d, ed, t, d, ed, past tense. I won't sing the song for you. But sometimes ed at the end of a word makes the t sound, like in the word parked, right? It's not parked or parked, it's parked, okay? Just because it's an ed, it still makes the t sound. Another example is baked, okay? It sounds like it ends in a T, but it ends in the ed, or past tense marker. Baked, okay? Ed, though, ed, you're always going to find at the end of a word when it makes the t sound. If you see ed in the middle of the word, it's not going to make the t sound. But if you see it at the end as a past tense marker, it's going to make the t sound. Sorry. If you see it at the end, it might make the t sound. Not always, as we know. Sometimes it makes the d, sometimes it makes the ed, but it will make the t sound as well. Okay, so on Google Classroom, I'm going to make myself smaller. I put up 2 practice worksheets for you guys to try. Let me just make myself smaller so you're not looking at me. Yay, okay. So with this one, you're going to see the 3 spellings for the t sound that we just went over. The 1 T, 2 T's, and the ed. Remember, this is always going to be at the end because it's our past tense marker, end of the word. So what I want to do first is go through all the words, make sure we know how to read all the words, and then I'll help you sort a couple of them. The rest you're going to do on your own. Okay, so you can read along with me as I read through these words. We have time, until, sit, truck, cut, baked, bitter, cutting, parked, sitting, ripped, and hoped. All right? So remember, we're going to sort them by the letter that makes the t sound. They all have the t sound in them, but we want to make sure we know which letter. So first word here is time. Where would time go? What column? Would it go with the T, 2 T's, or ed? Time. The 1 T is making the t sound, so I'm going to write the word time right here. Now I'm going to go down, because that's what I feel like doing. You can do it in any order. We're going to try this one. This one says cut. Now, what you're also going to notice is the t sound is in different places all over this, all in each of these words, so pay attention. Cut. Which letter is making the t sound? The T at the end. Good. Even though it's in a different place, still makes the t sound. And last one I'm going to do with you is parked. What letters are making the parked sound? Don't get tricked. And parked. Those letters at the end, it's an ed, so it's going to come over here. Even though it's ed, it makes the t sound. So I'm going to add parked over here. The rest I want you to do on your own. You can fill it out in here if you're on Google Classroom. Just type in here. You all have your own copy and submit it. Or if it's easier for you, handwrite it, take a picture of it. We love to see your handwriting, so whatever is easier for you is fine with us. The other worksheet you guys are going to know a lot about, because we've been doing a lot of this, is our root words and endings. So this one's a little bit different, though, because we have an ER ending, an ending, and an est ending. We saw these endings a lot in our Green Fern Zoo book. I don't know if you remember, but I'm just going to review them real fast with you. If a word ends in ends in ER, it means more of something, okay? If a word ends in est, it means the most of something, or the best. So, for example, our root word here is wet. When we add ER, the word becomes wetter. So, the towel is wetter than the ground. I don't know, it's more wet, wetter. The other one is wettest. So that's the most wet. So the duck that jumped in the puddle was the wettest because he jumped in a puddle. The most wet. So your job is going to be to add and est onto these root words. Same rules apply. Has to be a one-syllable word, short vowel, and one consonant at the end to double the last consonant. Be careful with this one. Be careful with this one. You may not need to double the consonant. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. The rest of them you probably will. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. All right, these will both be on Google Classroom. Again, if you want to write it out, please do. We love to see your handwriting. Send a picture to your teacher. Let me know if you have any questions. And I will see you tomorrow.